What does Air Quality Index tells us? In the 2017 annual report of the Air Quality Index show a steady decline in the mean concentration of pollutants. The index suggests levels of pollution in Causeway Bay, the aforementioned pollution black spot, dropped by almost half between 2011 and 2018. The NOCAS system is used by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency (EPA) to convert the raw pollutants readings, expressed in microgram/M3 or B, into the Air Quality Index scale from 0 to 500. The long-term impact of air pollution on the general population is communicated by means of the annual Air Quality Index. While the new Air Quality Health Index tells health effects you may experience within a few hours or days after breathing polluted air, NBSP, and aims at giving short-term health advice. The Air Quality Health Index of the current hour is calculated from the sum of the percentage added health risk of daily hospital admissions attributable to the 3-hour moving average concentrations of 4 criteria air pollutants: ozone, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and particulate matter, PM10 or PM2.5, whichever has a higher risk, measured at each air quality monitoring station of the Environmental Protection Department. It is reported on a scale of 1 to 10 and 10 plus, and grouped into 5 Air Quality Health Index health risk categories. When the health risk is low, no response action is required. When the health risk is moderate, individuals who are experiencing symptoms are advised to consider reducing outdoor physical exertion. When the health risk is high, people with existing heart or respiratory illnesses, children and the elderly are advised to reduce outdoor physical exertion, and to reduce the time of their stay outdoors, especially in areas with heavy traffic. They should also seek advice from a medical doctor before participating in sport activities, and take more breaks during physical activities. When the health risk is very high, people with existing heart or respiratory illnesses, children and the elderly, and the general public are advised to reduce to the minimum outdoor physical exertion, while employers of outdoor workers performing heavy manual work are advised to assess the risk of outdoor work, and take appropriate preventive measures to protect the health of their employees, and to reduce to the minimum the time of their stay outdoors, especially in areas with heavy traffic. When the health risk is serious, people with existing heart or respiratory illnesses, children and the elderly, are advised to avoid outdoor physical exertion, and to avoid staying outdoors, especially in areas with heavy traffic. The general public is advised to reduce to the minimum outdoor physical exertion. Air pollutant levels are continuously measured by the Environmental Protection Department's Air Quality Monitoring Network, which includes 3 roadside and 13 general monitoring stations. The roadside stations are located at street level, includes Mung Kok, Central, and Causeway Bay. The general stations are located in different parts of Hong Kong to cover various kinds of land use areas. They are usually at roof level of 4 to 6 stories high, including Yuen Long, Tai Po, Tap Moon, Join Wan, Kwai Chung, Sha Tin, Sham Shui Po, Guan Tong, Central/Western, and Eastern.
Hong Kong air quality is at low risk, but is the standard of Hong Kong Air Quality Index same as WHO? The PM2.5 concentration limit within 24 hours is 75 while that of WHO is 25. For PM10 concentration limit within 24 hours is 100 while that of WHO is 50. The ozone concentration limit within 8 hours is 160 while that of WHO is 100. For nitrogen dioxide concentration limit, Hong Kong and WHO are the same. Lastly, sulfur dioxide concentration limit in 24-hour is 125 while that of WHO is 20. In 2017, the annual number of times exceeding the 4 air quality index is less than 30 times for suspended particles. However, according to the WHO index, it has exceeded the standard for thousands of times throughout the year. The current indicators are relatively lenient. Not only can they not give the public a correct reference, but they also create the illusion of good air quality. So it cannot show the real situation. The WHO lists air pollution as one of the top 10 threats to global health in 2019. About 7 million people die each year. Air pollutants penetrate the respiratory and cardiovascular systems. PM2.5 is very small, which penetrate deeper into the lungs. WHO define PM2.5 as a carcinogen which lead to lung cancer. Sulfur dioxide may irritate eyes and nose. Inhalation of SO2 cause tracheal contraction and affect bronchial function. This may prone to asthma, rapid breathing, coughing and even heart disease.
We will talk about the comparison between Air Pollution Index and Air Quality Index. What is Air Pollution Index? It measures the intensity of air pollutants. More pollutants, higher index. API and AQI have similarity and they both include ozone, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide and respirable suspended particulates, which is PM10. We will talk about their differences. They have different standard to show the level of air quality. For example, 1, 2, 3 in AQHI is referring low level in API and so on. API used for 18 years from June 1995 to December 2013. The biggest difference is PM2.5 that API excludes it. So what is PM2.5? It is an air pollutant with more than 25,000 microns in an inch that hurt people's health. So we may tell why the index changed. It is because of the problem of time lag in API. The respirable suspended particulates, which is the PM10, a major pollutant. Let's take a look at an example of Yuan Long in 2006. The maximum point of hourly concentration of RSP is 225. But the maximum point is hourly API is only 74. The peak of API lagged behind the peak of RSP. It leads the government to change the index.
Citizens are not aware of the health problem that linked to air quality. People still having outdoor activities when the air quality is not good. Why are the people seldom aware of the AQI and AQHI? Governments only selectively tighten the standards of small pollutants, but not the ever-increasing concentration of ozone and respirable suspended particulates PM10. The government should not ignore the health of citizens. Government should comprehensively tighten the standard of pollutants, especially ozone and PM10 by following the standard of WHO. We should take action to make Hong Kong greener.